Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me. If you're not new, you know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And you know what? You got this, y'all. You got this. I just wanted y'all to know that. You got this today. Also, let's go ahead and pull our prayer card for today. Okay. Today's prayer. It says, He shields all who take refuge in Him. Psalms 18:30. I'm pretty sure this is backwards for you guys. I'm sorry. But it does say He shields all who take refuge in Him. So if you ever feel alone or feel like you can't do it or everybody is attacking you for whatever reason, you know, God doesn't ever really leave you. He's just waiting on you to find Him. So if you take refuge in Him, He will always shield you from whatever battles you're going on and going through. You know, He knows best. So if you're going through it, it's for a reason. Learn the lesson. There's a blessing. So if you're new and you like budgeting as well as first-time home ownership type things and vlogs, welcome to Vlogmas. Then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you over here. Over here, we are grateful. We are thankful. And let's get into today's video, which is just another chill day. It's still the weekend for me. I don't know when you'll see this video, but I woke up, edited a video, texted my friends and family, did my prayer, and it's already 12 o'clock and I haven't gone to do the invoice yet and I haven't cooked my dinner. But I do have an idea of what I want for meal prep. I still have that beef to cook, which I'm gonna cook today. It's a must because it's been marinated for a day and a half or so and it's time to get it out the fridge. I'm cooking that and maybe some broccoli and brown rice or white rice with it. And then I also want to make chicken parm. I already bought the chicken. It's in the fridge. So I just need to go ahead and marinate it. Look at my big old Panera bread bag. So I went to Walmart this morning and I grabbed a few things. And then I went to the little gas station as well. And these are unnecessary, but these are like my obsessive chips, right? These are old school, but one of my favorites. However, I've got to be careful because they are salty. But who else is with me? These, not the regular Dipsy Doodles. They have to be the barbecue Dipsy Doodles. These are a whole vibe on their own. Like, I don't know what's in them, probably too much salt, but so good. I don't even think you can eat one bag without going over 160 calories, but they're so good. So I stopped at the gas station and bought 3 because the gas station, like everywhere else, has been really like low on all their stock. So they finally re-upped the other day and I was like, let me go back and get me some. So in Walmart, although I'm supposed to be done with Christmas decor shopping, I had put up my little white tree. It was like a mini one, and I put it in the kitchen. I don't even think I showed y'all that. I just decided. And then these little things are little red pine cones. So I was like, oh, these are cute. They were $2.68, and I'm going to hang them on the branches because I only left the red, I'm looking at it, the red, green, and the gold bulbs on it. It had a lot of different colors, but I didn't want all those colors. And then I found these cute trees. They were a little more than I wanted to spend, but I loved how realistic they were. They were $3.97 each, and I picked up 2. I love how they look like a real tree, like a real, well, as real as they're gonna look, but like a real tree with a little bit of snow. And I have on my center table, I made this little with all my little houses, and I think I'm going to put the trees next to them and make it like a little scene on my coffee table. Here's the other one. So I got 2, and they're a little, oh no, they're about the same height. But this one looks skinnier. I don't know. I thought these were really nice and so neutral. I can absolutely use them over and over again, and I really like the wood base on them as well. And you know I love a circle or something rounded, so that was a plus. I also picked up things for my hot cocoa bar. I've got some Jet Puff Mini Marshmallows. They're so shocking. I can't wait to make some cocoa. Yesterday, I was hanging out mostly with my sister because it's her birthday weekend. We did end up watching movies, scary movie, something. Y'all know I ain't into scary movies, so I left before the movie was done. But that movie was dumb. It wasn't even really scary to me. Sorry, all you scary movie people. But the literal scary movie, like that movie with the guy with the face, the mask on. So I left, and I really wanted to eat popcorn and watch movies at my house and have hot cocoa, and I'm going to do that. So hopefully sometime today. So then I also picked up some Toll House semi-sweet morsels for in my cocoa, or as a cocoa option. And then I have some bananas that I really need to use. They're like super overripe. So I picked up some cupcake liners because I only have 2 bananas. So I'm going to half my grandmother's recipes that she gave me and try to make muffins instead. So I didn't have muffin tin liners. So I bought some of these, which I guess you don't. You could just butter, but I really wanted to try. So I bought these cute little gold ones. They're great values. They were only $1 or something, like $1.18. And these were $1.38 only because they're the holiday kind. But look how pretty. So, yeah. And then, oh, dang. I bought these. I didn't mean to. I meant to take them out my cart. But because I didn't want to litter in the store where I had picked up the other ones, I completely forgot about these. These were $1 something, but I would have rather saved my $1. They're just basic white, so, but I'm not a big cupcake maker or anything like that, so that's why I didn't want to have that many. Maybe my sister wants it. She's more of a baker than me. And then I picked up some chopped pecans. Pecans are expensive, so I'm very happy to find the smaller pack, which I still think was like $3 some change. But I want to try and make my banana muffins with pecans in it this time. You know, switch it up. I'm not a baker. Wait a minute. I'm not a baker yet. Okay, because I feel like I did pretty good last time I tried, so maybe I am a baker and I just don't know it. So I picked up a salad as I normally do. Big old Caesar salad. Always good on the side, especially with the chicken parm. Also got some bananas. Now, I normally don't have this many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But my friend wants banana bread for their Christmas gift. So some of these bananas are actually explicitly to go and put in a brown bag so they can ripen. And they don't ask for much, so I figured I could at least do that. I did get some premium craft gift wrap, and there's a lot. It was $5.48, and it's a good size roll, and it's a long length. So I'm excited because I think this is my new style of wrapping paper. I feel I now have other wrapping paper that I'm going to finish using, but I also feel like this is like classic. Like you can't go wrong with this color wrapping. Well, if you don't, for basic, like for me, if I like things to be simple and, you know, most times. But I feel like you can wrap a gift, a birthday gift, a holiday gift, a whatever kind of gift in that kind of paper. So I thought it was worth the investment. Okay, I splurged a little bit. Oh, I spent $74, I believe. I took my little jacket off, so it was in the pocket of the jacket. But I think it was like $74. And I couldn't even tell you what category it came out of because it was all over the place. Because I also picked up a shower liner for my bathroom because I definitely need a new one. And this one was expensive. I want to say this was like $14. Normally, I don't spend more than about $7 on a shower liner, but because I saw that it was Clorox, treated with a mildew resistant, suction cups, rust resistant, and it's funny because the lady next to me in the store was saying how she loves this one and it's been in her bathroom for such a long time and still in super good condition. So I'm excited, and it's just 72 by 72, so I think it's not too long for the bathroom because I've done that. And then I also picked up these. I figured they can go on the tree next year as well. So they're serving double duty, but they're not for the tree right now. These were $2.46, and they are ornaments. And they're little fuzzy deer. And I think these are adorable. So I bought 2 of them. However, they're not for the tree this year, but they can absolutely go on the tree next year, God willing, but they're actually going to be added, hopefully they fit, over the in the little house circle thing I was talking. I'll make sure I leave a picture up here. A house circle thing I was talking about, that's on the center table, the coffee table that's on the coffee table in the little area. So I think this would be cute along with the trees and make a little scene. And they stand up on their own. I mean, my hand's not flat, but they do stand up on their own. I tested them before I left the store. A lot of the stuff for the chicken parm. This is marinara pasta sauce, so we're gonna use that. And I might add my own like garlic and onion and Italian seasoning to it anyway. I should have probably just used the canned tomatoes and made my own. Then I got some coconut milk Ready Whip. This is going to be for my hot cocoa. Y'all, this hot cocoa about to be lit. And then I am not excited about this. So I got some Parmesan cheese, the cut up kind or whatever. But personally, ever since hearing about, you know, things like this in that little green bottle and like shredded cheese having like wood pulp and things, I don't like to buy this. This one looks okay though. But I like to buy the block and shred it myself. But they didn't have any blocks at Walmart and I didn't feel like going to Aldi. I didn't want to go to any more stores. It's dreary and drab. Also, I'm using natural cloudy light, so I hope it's okay. I just didn't want to turn on the blaring bright light. And then I picked up some mozzarella cheese, which I don't think I'll have to use. My sister gave me a little bit in a bag, but again, it was those bags where they're pre-shredded. I should have just left it because I know I'm going to use it because she gave it to me. But I picked up another one, but also because I still want to make lasagna. I couldn't find the ricotta cheese in the store. I don't know my Walmart that well. I might have to go to Kroger and look. But that is all I picked up. This makes actually for a pretty long video. This could just be the video. It's about 12 minutes in already. But maybe I'll show you when I'm putting together these meals and we'll end it there because I have to go record a video clearing out my cash envelopes. So that one should be coming as well because, you know, we're preparing to go digital. Who's excited? Who's excited? Who's excited with me? Ooh, who's excited? I'm excited. You excited with me? All right, I'm done. I was close, guys. The bill was $74.80. In Walmart. I just came back from my parents' house. Excuse me. I just came back from my parents' house, did the invoice, and was chatting with Granny for a little bit per usual, and then I was out. It is 2:34. 2:34. But I didn't leave the house empty-handed per usual. I got some persimmon. Yay. And then my mom had made callaloo and saltfish with food. So I got food is like our dumpling, yams, banana. So I picked up some banana and yam. Oh, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. It'd be things like this that make me don't. It'd be things like this. It's things like this that makes me not want to cook because I'm like, I could totally just eat this for dinner. However, if I want to be able to have food for tomorrow, that could be problematic. And if I don't have food for tomorrow, that means I'm just going to eat out, which is not good because the way this weather has been lately, nobody wants to go outside. Also, I have my beef that needs to be made because I don't have no money to be wasting. So yeah, I'm going to head to the kitchen and meal prep, hoping to be done by, it's like 2:35. So hoping to be done by 4 so I can have some downtime and just sit on my couch and chill. Yeah, maybe make myself some cocoa. We'll see. I stole this stab your chicken technique from Budgeting D, and by the way, my chicken parm came out great. Here I'm trying to show you that I put pecans on the top of one, then one had no pecans, and the last two had pecan just mixed in. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. If this is the end of the video, I want to make sure I have an ending. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, all things are always working out for your good for those who believe. And I believe in you. Bye!